Noah! Ow! Don't do. You're kind of vicious with your colored pencils. Don't do that. Give me that Bippy. Bye-bye, Bippy. Don't you put that by your ears. Don't you do it. What? Where are you going? Sit down. Well, come on up. Can you say bird? Okay, sit down, Mommy. Give you a Bippy. Sit down. Can you say please? Please. Say thank you. Good job.